So today we'll be changing out the brake pads on the Rx7. So I just got in some Project Mu pads for the front. These are the Spec B, more of a street and performance style pad. Doesn't dust a lot. So we got it up in the air. A few things you'll need to crack loose these caliper bolts. 17mm. You'll want some kind of brake lube there, and once it's off you'll need one of these tools because the rear calipers spin in, they don't just push in, so you will need to get something like that. And then we got our pads here ready to put on, so we'll go ahead and get the old stuff off and I'll show you what we're doing. Alright, so now that the bolts are out, we can slip the caliper off. And if you see right there, that's where we need to spin in. There's a bunch of different caliper tools. You can get a whole set of Mac tools. I was going to use those, but I actually tried one of these like cube setups. And actually this right here works. So get the old pads out. Now these rotors might look old, they are. So I actually just had them resurfaced, and then I was waiting on the Project Mu pads to come in. So basically you can't get these pads or rotors in the country. I actually had to have these resurfaced because getting replacement ones were going to be about over $500 because this is a Type R import. It's a 95 Type R. So they actually run bigger rotors than the US models. So these are about 12.3 inches. The US model I think runs around 11.6, 1.7, something around there. So I did have these resurfaced. They did sit a little bit, so you got a little surface rust. But basically, just to put the car back on the ground, I just put the old pads in there, but I didn't actually run the car. So we'll get this spun in now, and then we'll get the pads in. I'll put it back on the ground. Alright, so now that the piston is spun in there flush, go ahead and put the pads in. It's already pre-lubed, and I'm a huge fan of Project Mu. I mean, it's kind of some cool, JDM stuff, but it actually works really well. I actually run this on my S14 drift car, so it's a nice little add-on for the car here. Alright, those are on. Go ahead and put the bolts in. We're doing this with left hand and filming, but not too bad. Go ahead and zip this up. Guys, super excited. Just got a shipment in from Japan. So I'm gonna be putting some on the Rx7. Something I'm super excited about. I just love the look of these. But let's get right into it. There we go. Got the 99 spec taillights. I was considering doing some of the LED options on the market, but at the end of the day, I love the classic, OEM style, and just to go around the back. So, I mean, these look okay at night, but nothing compared to that, I don't think. And certainly during the day, it looks a lot better, but at night, just a nice crisp, circles there. So, alright, it's a little later in the day, just came back out to the garage. Got the taillights finished up. Let's take a look. Let me put the hazards on so you can see the turn signals.